In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR recruitment processes. We'll start right from the Monday.com homepage. Once you're logged into your account and you're on the home screen, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new board using one of Monday's built-in templates. Using a template is the fastest way to get a structured recruitment workflow up and running without building everything from scratch. On the homepage, look towards the area where you can add a new board or workspace. Click the option that's highlighted on your screen to start creating something new. From there, choose Start with Template. This opens the Template Center, where Monday.com has a large library of pre-built boards for different use cases. Inside the Template Center, go to the Search or Category area. Instead of scrolling through everything, type in the term you see highlighted in the tutorial, or simply navigate to the HR category. Click on HR to filter down to templates specifically designed for human resources processes. Now you'll see a collection of HR-related templates. Look for the recruitment or hiring workflow template that's highlighted in the guide, then click on it to open the details. Here, you can quickly review what's included, such as candidate stages, status columns, and additional views that help you track your pipeline. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday will automatically create a new board in your workspace based on that structure. Once your new recruitment board is created, click into it. You'll see candidate items listed, along with columns that represent different stages of your hiring pipeline. For example, you can click on a status and move a candidate into In Progress when you've started actively reviewing or interviewing them. When someone accepts an offer, change their status to Hired so you can differentiate successful candidates. If an applicant isn't a fit, update their status to Unqualified. Keeping these statuses accurate is key to having a clean, reliable recruitment overview. At the top of the board, you'll notice additional views. Click on the Workload view to see how tasks and candidates are distributed across your team, making it easier to balance recruiter capacity. Then, switch to the Source Chart view to understand where your best candidates are coming from, whether that's job boards, referrals, or other channels. You can also move into the Employee Onboarding Checklist view, which helps you transition smoothly from candidate to new hire, and then open the Employee Directory to maintain an up-to-date record of everyone on your team. By following these steps, you'll have a structured end-to-end recruitment process running in Monday.com, from initial application all the way through onboarding.